golf clubs for Christmas, and I wanted to show you what was in my bag. They are all Nike clubs, and I have Gator head covered on them. My first one is my Nike Ignite driver. It's 450cc. The larger sweet spot than my older driver. 10.5 degrees of loft. And this is my most powerful club in my bag. Next I have my fairway wood, which is also my 3-wood. And it's another Nike Ignite driver. Not driver, it's a 3-wood. It's a 60cc and it has 15 degrees of loft. Next I have my hybrid. It doesn't tell you how much loft it has. It's a 3 hybrid. Another Nike Ignite.
28 degrees.
28 degrees of loft. Next I have all my irons. They're all Nike Ignite irons, and they're all pretty much chrome and silver. I have a 4-3 pitching wedge. Lastly, I have my Wilson Harmonized putter. Of course, it has 0 loft, and I'm going to give you a demonstration on it.
Perfect lag.
And thank you for watching my What's in the Bag video, and please subscribe. Bye.